Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your country on Netflix and basically how to watch another country's Netflix on your phones. It's very easy to set up. Now, you do have to use a VPN. The VPN that you recommend that you guys use is called IPVanish. I'll have a link over for you guys to create your account in the pinned comments as well as in the description. And then once you've made your account, you can go ahead to the App Store and download the application. Now, I already have the application downloaded and I'm already signed up, so I'll show you guys how to do it once you guys have done that. Now, you just want to open up IPVanish once you've signed up, and you guys can see I'm located in Toronto, Canada currently, so I only have access to the Canadian Netflix. Now, say, for example, I want to change to the United States, I can go ahead and just change the country to United States like I have here, and then just select the city as best available as well as the server, so it's the best connection that we have possible. Once you have your city and country connected and chosen, you can click on Connect at the very bottom, and then it will connect us to that VPN that we would like to. You will know it's turned on when you see the VPN in the top corner, just like I've seen there. So we can then exit out of here and open up Netflix. So I'll go ahead and just search for Netflix and open that up. We'll just give us a second to boot open here. And then to make sure that we're on the right Netflix, we can just scroll down and we will see it says top 10 in the US today. So I am now available to watch the American Netflix on my phone. So it's very easy to set up. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.